Floor, you ready?
Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Ma in her kerchief and I in my cap had just settled down for a long winter's nap. With a little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be
I don't think she paid for that one.
No, I got
But out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave the luster of midday to objects below. And what to my wondering eyes did appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer.
Twas the night before Christmas in Orange County's GLOW, where shoppers at Trader Joe's put on quite a show. The basic white girls in Uggs, snug and tight, wore puffers in warmth under the SoCal night. With temperatures soaring a balmy 72, they strolled down the aisles in shades of pastel hue. In the land of palm trees where the sun always shines, they shopped for their favorites in long checkout lines. Cookie butter galore and mocktails so sweet, these OC darlings knew just what to eat. Eggnog and treats piled high in their carts for holiday parties and Instagram hearts. In the aisles they giggled, their laughter so bright, as they filled their baskets with such...
Oh my god! What the heck? I snorted the whole thing in my nose! Oh my god. That's the worst feeling in the world.
light, shallow perhaps, but in a charming way. Their shopping adventure was the highlight of their day. Organic and gluten-free, they exclaimed, as they perused the aisles unashamed. May your holidays be merry, your shopping spree grand in this OC Wonderland.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, okay, Sneezy's coming.
That was a good one.
Sneezing, Part 3.
Christmas story time. So like many people, we used to be a Realtree only kind of family, but that was until about 3 years ago where we had something absolutely disgusting and horrific happen. So about 2 weeks before Christmas, with all the decorations on the tree, we come out to our living room in the morning and see all of these little black dots all over our living room. After further investigation, we find out that they are thousands of tiny little black spiders. Come to find out that 1 in 1,000 Christmas trees, especially during hot years, has these things called aphids living in them. And when they get nice and warm and their little eggs hatch, all these tiny little spiders come out. So 2 weeks before Christmas, we're scrambling to take all of our ornaments and lights off our real tree, put it out by the street, and we have to go scramble to find a fake one. And that's why we will be having a fake one for the rest of time.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and support this.
Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. I'm like dizzy because of it. I'm like, oh shit.
Merry Christmas.